and all the electricians and all electrical brother. But we want to note some electrical brother that was unable to be here, but is here in spirit, in truth, and in support in all form. Winston White, electrical contractor. L&E Electric was unable to be here. They support in spirit, in strength, in every form. Rising Sun Electric, Jam Electric, Jarrett Mundell among us here, and D Electrician Technical Services, Terrence Davis. And at this point in time, we want to call one of our sponsors, the Splendid Realty, to come and say 2 words. Yes. And cheer on, come on. We're all distinguished guests here tonight. Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity to come out today. My name is Danielle. I am here locally in Lauderhill. We are one of the sponsors for today's event. We work for the Beckford Group at Splendor Realty. We're a local real estate brokerage firm right down the road. We'd love to be able to assist any of you in your efforts to become homeowners or to sell properties, and we support all the great work that you guys do here in the community. So thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.